Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MCA new MCS 214 Professional Skills and Ethics, and we have a passage here, and we have discussed the question 1, 2, 3 in the previous videos. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions on this uh, PDF. So if you need answer of this PDF, so you can contact us on the WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen 900-936-8238 in the left corner, and kindly note this number for future purposes. And the question number 4 we are discussing here. You work for a company which manufacturer external hard disks and pen drives. You are visiting another company, Agitech, to buy some accounting software for your finance department. They have expressed an interest in your company's external hard disks and pen drives. You would like to take 20 brochures and 3 sample external hard disk and pen drive with you. So write a memo to Mr. John, the stores manager. Ask for his permission to take these lines. Explain the time and date when you want to collect them. Say what you hope to achieve by showcasing these products. So this is the question. There are the 4 questions we have, and you have to just write on this 4 questions. And if you need answer of this question and all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing you on. Kindly note this number, and please share this number to your friends also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.